and I have seen his writing, his books, his articles. He is always inspiring. Falling or rising people doesn't matter to him. He doesn't go with the market. What the market today says or yesterday said. He talks about people, he talks about person, he talks about their strength. Even he turns their weaknesses into strength. This is his interaction with the film industry, with stars, with everyone, not with me. That's called Ali Peter John. So, when you read Ali's book, you are not only thrilled, you are enlightened to know about life. And I'm sure this book, Witnessing Wonders, must be a new experience for a reader to read about. Because his observation, a deep observation of people, is amazing. Because he is a saint himself.
इनके नाम को, जैसा कि जैकी साहब ने कहा कि अली पीटर जॉन क्या है ये, मेरे लिए भी जब मुझे कोई पहचान समझ में नहीं आई तो मैं इनको एक नाम से जानता था, अली पीटर जयराम सिंह। और ये नाम चलता भी रहा और मुझे इस नाम के साथ में बहुत अच्छा लगा। जिस वक्त मैं शहीद ऊधम सिंह के बारे में कुछ पढ़ रहा था तो उस वक्त नज़र आया कि इस तरह का नाम जो है वाकई इस मुल्क की ज़बान बोलता है और अली पीटर जॉन ने अपनी कलम से उस ज़बान को बोला है। अब्बास साहब की जो कलम थी वो शायद ब्लिट्स के पीछे नज़र आती थी, लेकिन इस मुल्क के अंदर सिनेमा और कला के ज़रिए से जिन लोगों ने इस ज़बान को बोलने की कोशिश की, अली पीटर जॉन ने हमेशा उन लोगों को प्रोत्साहन दिया। और मुझे खुशी इस बात की है कि कुछ कमज़ोर लोगों में से मैं भी था, हमेशा इन्होंने मुझे प्रोत्साहन दिया, मुझे सहयोग दिया और मेरे जैसे कई साथियों को इन्होंने हमेशा इस बात का एहसास कराया। ऐसा शख्स जो हमेशा एहसास कराता रहा है कि काम करो और काम लोगों के दिलों तक पहुंचने के लिए करो, ऐसे शख्स का मैं सम्मान करता हूं, आदर करता हूं और शुक्रिया कहता हूं उन्हें आज मुझे यहाँ बुलाने पर।
My first interview in the film industry too was given to Mr. Ali Peter John. One of my son's first interviews was conducted by Ali Peter John, and I am totally on the same page with Anupam where he says that Ali is a man who has probably never written a negative thing about anybody. He is never a journalist who took advantage of the fact that his pen was mightier than anything else that could be said, to run down people, to settle personal scores, to be malicious about anybody. He has truly been a stalwart of the film industry as much as any of the filmmakers who have been around or others who have served the industry for 40 and 50 years. Ali Peter John is very much, in my book, belongs in that category. And the whole, when we see what journalism has descended to today, it's very, very refreshing to recall the attitude of journalists like Ali Peter John and the kind of tradition that they came from. And it is worth young journalists remembering that just because you have the power to tear somebody apart does not mean that you should necessarily do so. And Ali is a shining example of that. May his pen live forever, and may he continue to write compassionate, helpful, informative articles about the film people who he has very quietly and very unobtrusively observed in his many years in the film industry. And I, on behalf of all of you who are obviously friends, maybe some family, people who know Ali's work, I wish Ali a long life. I wish him good health. I was astonished to hear of the things that have happened to him. The only thing that doesn't seem to have happened to him is to get run over by a road roller. But let us hope and pray that he has no more of such incidents, and the only adventures he has are with his pen. Thank you very much.